370178. Check this out. And we're going to search one application called Downloader. Downloader is going to give us the ability to sideload applications onto our device. So under search, highlight it, and it brings up this keyboard. And we just type in D. And Downloader comes right up for us to select. So you just pull down on your remote, highlight Downloader, it's all one word, and select it. Downloader is this orange icon. We can select it, download it, install it, and get it onto our device. While this is loading, please share this with a friend. Before we open the application, we need to jailbreak our Fire Stick. Head all the way over to the little settings icon on the far left. Pull down. Here I have my Fire TV listed. Yours might not be here, it might be down here. Yours also might say My Device. Same settings option. So highlight it and select it. Now here it brings up a little bit of a menu. Yours might look a little different. Most likely it doesn't have developer options listed. If it doesn't, no worries. We can turn it on for you. Highlight About, select on it, and then our Fire TV Stick, under My Fire TV Stick, just use the remote, the select button, the center button, select it about 7 to 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now as you can see, it says no need. You're already a developer. So congratulations, you're a developer now. We can back out once and come to developer options, select on it. And here it gives us off for ADB debugging, turn it on. And then install unknown apps, select it. It may give you an option just to select it on and off here, but in the newer ones, select, and in here, it gives you the ability to highlight Downloader and turn it on. This is the jailbreak that lets Downloader sideload applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. Let's go home, we can find Downloader. All these apps that we're going to download end up in this little 3 squares plus sign symbol. It's our apps and games section, so we can just highlight it. And the last app that we've downloaded ends up at the very bottom of our list. So if you have a lot of stuff on your app, if you have a lot of stuff in your list, might be a little further down, but here we just have a few. So Downloader, we can even highlight it. It gives us this sub menu here, and we can either move it or move it to the front. So I'm just going to move it to the front, and it puts it up in the top bar, which is our shortcuts menu on our home screen. So I'm going to push home, and look at that right there, front and center for us to use. So let's click on Downloader. Allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. Click Allow. Here's a quick start guide. We can click OK. Now Downloader works just like a web browser, so we can type in any URL. For instance, we're going to go to my website, ledbytheunknown.com. So we would type in https:// or I have a short code for you. It's so much quicker. So we can just highlight the box here, select it, and it brings up this keyboard, and we can just type in the short code 370178, and then just highlight Go and select it. This will redirect it right to the Led by the Unknown website in order to get these awesome applications. Once the redirect is completed and the page is loaded, we just use the 3-line button on our remote, and we can add this page to our favorites and click Save. So if there's any other applications that you want to download or get updates for, you can just come over to the favorites and you don't have to worry about remembering that short code. So it brought us already right to the downloads section. So we can just come down, and here guys, I always recommend getting yourself a nice reliable VPN. Get out your phone, scan this QR code. Black Friday is right around the corner, and you get upfront 30-day money back guarantee, the lowest price you'll get IPVanish for. Protecting your online security lately is the most important thing you can do. This works on your Fire Stick, it'll work on your phones. It doesn't matter if it's Android, it doesn't matter if it's an Apple, or your PCs, laptops, tablets, you name it. One account shared across all of it. So get out the phone, scan this QR code, enjoy it. It's already up on your TV. Let's find these awesome apps. So the first one will be Film. We can click on it, automatically starts downloading it to our device. All these are really simple, small applications. Down on the bottom right, we'll highlight Install. Click on it. The application installs onto your device. And once it's done, down on the bottom right, highlight Done. Delete the installation file as we no longer need it taking up space on our device. And delete it or confirm the delete. Now, Film does need a player. Recommend the Bear in order to play the awesome applications for it. So we can click on Bear. The two of them go hand in hand. And again, bottom right, install. I've had it sometimes where it may fail here. Click it again and normally it brings it right back up. Or sometimes you may need to reboot your device or make sure your device is updated. One of the three normally gets it working fine. Highlight Done. We're going to again delete the installation file. All these they're just installation files. We don't need them on. It's installed the app, so we just delete them. Second application, flicks, movies, TV shows, live TV, all available in one app. This is fuzzed out for my privacy. Check out this video. Enjoy it. And here we just click on the blue bubble and it downloads it to our device. If one of them don't work, there is a backup link for you to try. And once again, like before, I'm going to stage it. We'll click install at the bottom right. The application gets installed. Like I said earlier, please share this with a friend. It helps out with the algorithm. It helps out to get these awesome applications in all your friends' hands. And we'll click Done. And of course, delete the installation file and confirm the delete. We can back out one to the downloads page. HD, app number 3, movies and TV shows. An amazing list. And here we just click on the blue bubble. Down on the bottom right, once it's staged, we'll hit install. Once it's installed, we'll go down and hit Done. So highlight Done, click on it, delete the installation file, confirm the delete. We've got 3 great apps. Back out to the home screen. Let's find some movies, TV shows, live sports. We got Stream. We'll click on the blue bubble. Delete this or stage, install. Apps installed, highlight Done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Back out to the main downloads page and come down, and here we have Fire. You can click on it, all the sports you'd ever want. Check out the video up top. And here's the latest. Click on it. Down on the far right, click Install. Click Done. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. Now we can go back to our home screen. Let's find these awesome applications for our Amazon Fire Stick. So in order to find them, like I said earlier, the 3 squares plus sign are apps and games section. The apps all end up down in the bottom of our list. And we can just kind of work our way backwards. Kind of 3-line button on our remote. Move to the front. 3-line button. Move to the front. 3-line button. Kind of getting the drift now, right? Move to the front. We don't need the player up front. We just need the actual app. Move to the front. There we go, guys. 5 great applications for your Amazon Fire TV stick for movies and TV shows, live TV and sports for free. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace. Are you looking for movies, TV shows, live TV, or sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick on apps that you can't find in the Amazon App Store? All for free? I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos.